Welcome back to another vlog. So I'm here at the Glambox Beauty Studio with my third batch of participants for the basic makeup workshop. Hi! So meron tayong mga kids in the house. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, diba? Ayan. So we're still waiting for 3 participants pero mag-start na kami. Since anong oras naman? 11 something. We have our model Yang as always, and then we have our photographer Milk. Hi, Milk! Kasi wala si Mark. So, we have all the products laid out on the table. And nakapansin ba kayo ng upgrade? Nagka-mirror kami. O, diba? Dati wala kaming mirror. At may mga brushes. So, we're gonna start. Hi, Jada! Ay, ikaw ba next? Ang cute ng bag! From your shop, no, Ikes? If you didn't know, Ikes is the one who gave me the bags. Ang cute ng top mo. Anong top yan?
Sa Rob.
Rob? Wow! Love it! And I love her setup talaga. Hi, Cheryl! Melissa, Liana. Si Liana ay isang celebrity. Yes, singer ka, diba? I love it. And then we have Abisha. Ano yung mami niya, si Jen. And then we have Girly. Oh, alam ko yung mga pangalan niya talaga. Abisha gave me this note. Cute niya, no? Teacher say, please make up Abisha. The teacher say, Sax. Teacher Sax. Joke from Abisha. Cutie. Ang cute ng mga babies, oh. Love it. So we're finally done with the workshop. Now we're gonna proceed with the awarding. Hi, baby. Did you have fun? Yes? Cute. Ikaw? Hi. What? Oo nga, ang daming makeup dyan. Yeah. Okay. Liana, how did you find the class?
It was fun. I learned a lot of things.
Yay! Fun ba? Fun. Yay! How old are you?
I'm 10 years
10. Yay! May show ka ba sa GMA?
Bukas po may guest yung sa Sunday All-Stars.
Wow! Anong oras yon?
12:01.
Wow! Oh, let's all watch Liana. Good job! You're so pretty.
It's fun. Masaya, marami natutunan. Masaya, very informal. Nakakatawa kasi maraming inputs na
I'm very happy because I'm with the kids. Tapos, informative siya. Marami ako natutunan, more of the personal, basic. So, I can really apply it sa work ko pag malabas and apply.
Super saya. Siyempre, kasama ka namin. Love you, sis.
Thank you, Jada. Cutie. Thank you, Milk. Oh yeah, if you want to book Milk, Milk is a professional photographer. So if you want to book her, I'll have her number.
She's famous!
Oh my God, tignan mo yung ano niya. I love it. Ang tawag dyan, arms. Ikes gave me another bag. Thank you, Ikes. Si Ikes yung nagbibigay. Yung salamin mo ba? Ay, hindi. Yan yung suot mo. I love it. Thank you, Ikes. Ayan. Pati yung bag na dala ko. Yan yung tan. Yan. Galing din kay Ikes. How much is this if they order?
Same.
How much?
790.
790. 790. Oh my God. I love it. Thank you, baby. So we're finally done with the workshop, batch 3. Thank you so much for signing up. It was really fun with the kids kasi first time ko magkaroon ng 3 bata sa workshop. And I had really, ano ba yan? I really had fun. Kasi tingnan nyo, di ba ang ganda naman ng mirrors? Alam mo nung una, concern ko mukha siyang cheap. Sabi ko, hindi naman maganda, puro red naman. Ang ganda naman, I love it. At yan din dahil sa Davao. And then, I'm so happy Yang's here. And si Milk. Ang ganda ng mga shots ni Milk. I'm gonna post all the photos in my blog, as always. So, yan. Isan mo sa akin yung ano mo, Milk? Contact. Okay. Yay! So, now we're gonna pack up na. Tapos, kailangan ko maglinis ng brush. Because tomorrow, I'll be flying to Davao. Yay! I'm wearing this headband from Goody. Non-slip daw siya. Pero nagsislip. Tingnan mo, nagsislip. Oh, that's weird. I'm now here at Modern Shanghai with Yang, my model. So, yeah, dito kami. Ano to, Glorieta? Ano to? Hindi ko alam eh. 3? 2? Oh, yeah. Finally. I've been craving for xiaolongbao the past few days. And finally, kakain na kami. Tignan mo. Yeah, nag-slip.
Oo nga.
Nice. Here I have my beef brisket noodle, yummy. And then we have xiaolong pao. Ayun no. Basta bubutasin mo lang, tapos sisipsipin mo yung noodles, tapos kakain mo. First time niyang mag-xiaolong pao. Actually, ang dami namin kasi yung pinagkukwentuhan. I mean, pinag-uusapan. Kaya sobrang saya ko na siyang. Kasi siya yung parang spiritual advisor. So, makakailang oras kaya tayo dito. We're finally done eating. At hindi na kinaya ni Yang. Hindi na naubos yung food niya. Sobrang busog. And meron pa siyang dalawang xiaolong pao. Masarap. Give up. Super sarap nitong beef brisket. B, magugustuhan mo to as in.
Pero may isang buong naubos niya.
So after this, we're gonna have dessert sa pa ba? Vanilla cupcake bakery! At mag-share lang kami ni Yang ng isang cupcake lang kasi ayaw namin ang sugar rush. Cupcake bakery with Yang. Ngayon ka lang ba mag-ano ng cupcake dito? Oh my gosh. Anong in-order mo? New York cheesecake din? Same. Here's my New York cheesecake favorite.